Hello, YouTube enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a household essential that often goes unnoticed, the humble paper towel. From wiping spills to handling kitchen messes, this unassuming hero plays a crucial role in our daily lives. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 3. The Brawny Quick Size Paper Towels. If you're tired of dealing with messy spills and want a paper towel that delivers on performance, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Brawny Quick Size Paper Towels come in a pack of 16 family rolls, boasting shorter sheets that are now even more absorbent. Say goodbye to soggy messes. These towels are engineered for a versatile and thorough clean, absorbing liquids with ease. Why use more when you can use less? Brawny outshines the leading Ordinary brand, allowing you to pick up messes quicker and use fewer sheets in the process. With these quick size rolls, you can customize your sheet size based on the size of your mess, making cleanup efficient and hassle-free. Get ready for some serious savings. The pack includes 8 packs of 2 family rolls, equivalent to a whopping 40 regular rolls. It's a budget-friendly option that ensures you'll always have an abundant supply of quality paper towels without constantly running to the store. Did you know that Brawny is the most awarded paper towel for the past 6 years? It's not just hype. Online media awards consistently recognize its superior performance. When you choose Brawny, you're choosing a product that has stood the test of time and proven its excellence. Brawny Quick Size Paper Towels have undergone an upgrade, now featuring a more cloth-like texture compared to their previous version. Experience the difference as you clean. It's like having the strength of a paper towel with the feel of a cloth. Brawny Quick Size Paper Towels are a game-changer in the world of cleanup. From their enhanced absorbency to the cost-effective bulk packaging, these towels have everything you need for a stress-free cleaning experience. Make the switch today and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Number 2. The Sparkle Paper Towels with Thirst Pockets. If you're on the lookout for an affordable and effective clean, you might want to stick around for this one. First up, let's talk about the secret weapon, thirst pockets. These bad boys soak up spills and messes like magic. It's like having a tiny superhero in your paper towel, ready to save the day. Say goodbye to those stubborn kitchen spills with ease. Now, the Pick a Size Plus feature deserves a round of applause. Each roll packs a whopping 116 2-ply sheets, equivalent to more than 2 regular rolls. But here's the kicker, the sheets are wider compared to our regular Pick a Size. More surface area for the win, folks. Sparkle paper towels aren't just confined to the kitchen. These rolls are your go-to for household cleanups, but they don't stop there. Get ready to unleash their versatility in food prep, DIY projects, outdoor activities, you name it. These towels are like the Swiss Army knife of paper products. Let's talk numbers. 18 rolls, packaged neatly into 6 packs with 3 rolls each. That's not just convenience, it's an economical powerhouse. With Sparkle, you're not just getting quality, you're getting quantity that lasts. Say goodbye to frequent restocking and hello to long-lasting freshness. Now, before we wrap things up, let's touch on the green factor. Sparkle paper towels are committed to environmental friendliness. The packaging is designed with sustainability in mind, making these rolls a conscientious choice for your household. So, there you have it, Sparkle paper towels, the unsung heroes of household cleanliness. From thirst pockets to Pick a Size Plus, these rolls are a game-changer. With 18 rolls in one pack, they're not just cleaning, they're a lifestyle. Make the smart choice, folks. Sparkle up your cleaning game today. Number 1. The Brawny Square Paper Towels. If you've ever wished for a paper towel that adapts to your needs, stay tuned, because this might just be your solution. Let's kick things off with the standout feature, 3 sheet sizes in one roll. Quarter, half, and full sheets mean you can tackle any mess efficiently. No more wasting sheets, you get to choose just what you need for the job. It's like having a customizable cleaning companion. Now, let's talk numbers. Each 2-ply double roll packs a punch with 128 sheets, equivalent to 2 regular rolls. That means more cleaning power in a compact package. It's a game-changer for those who want durability without sacrificing space in the pantry. The quarter sheet option is a game-changer for smaller tasks. Picture this, you need a tiny piece for a quick spill, and voila! The Square makes it happen. This innovative feature ensures your roll lasts longer, saving both money and the environment. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty performance. These paper towels are a force to be reckoned with. strong enough for tough messes, absorbent for spills, and durable for everyday cleaning needs. It's like having a superhero in your cleaning arsenal. Wrapping it up, the Brawny TerraSquare comes in a pack of 12 rolls, each boasting 128 2-ply sheets. The 11 inches x 5.5 inches sheet size strikes the perfect balance between coverage and efficiency. With this bulk, you're well equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. And there you have it, folks. The Brawny TerraSquare paper towels, versatile, efficient, and a game changer for your cleaning routine. If you're tired of one-size-fits-all paper towels, give these a try. So that wraps up our list of the best paper towel in 2024. Hope you found this video helpful. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our content market family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.